Welcome to Beyond Newton, where we explore the universe beyond the apple. Today, we're diving into the strange world of quantum physics, where particles are waves, measuring something changes reality, and even cats can be alive and dead at the same time. Let's talk about wave-particle duality, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, and the legendary Schrödinger's cat thought experiment. But in the quantum world, things aren't so simple. When light passed through to tiny slits, it created an interference pattern, just like waves. In the classical world, everything is either a particle, like a baseball, or a wave, like a sound or ripple in water. In 1801, Thomas Young performed the famous double-slit experiment. So, light behaves like a wave. But in 1905, Einstein explained the photoelectric effect, where light knocks electrons out of metal surfaces. This showed that light also behaves like particles, called photons. This strange behavior was later extended to electrons and even atoms. They too show both wave and particle nature depending on how we observe them. This is wave-particle duality, the idea that quantum objects are both waves and particles, until we observe them. Now, let's make it weirder. In 1927, German physicist Werner Heisenberg proposed something shocking. The more precisely we know a particle's position, the less precisely we can know its momentum, and vice versa. We can never know everything about a quantum particle at once. The act of measuring changes what we measure. Now comes one of the most famous thought experiments in all of physics. Schrödinger, SCAT, in 1935. Austrian physicist Owen Schrödinger wanted to show how bizarre quantum theory really is when applied to everyday objects. He imagined a sealed box containing a cat, a radioactive atom, so the cat is also in a superposition, both dead and alive, until we open the box and observe a Geiger counter, a vial of poison. But the experiment became a powerful way to visualize quantum superposition and observation. Particles are waves, reality is blurry, an observation literally changes the outcome. If the atom decays, the Geiger counter triggers and releases poison, killing the cat. If not, the cat lives. According to quantum theory, the atom is in a superposition, both decayed and not decayed. It's not that we don't know whether the cat is dead or alive. It's that the cat is actually in both states at once. Schrödinger didn't propose this to say cats are zombies. He was criticizing how strange quantum mechanics gets when applied to real-world things. So what does all this mean? It means that the universe at its tiniest level doesn't behave logically the way we expect. Quantum physics is weird, mind-bending, and real. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned as we go deeper into the quantum world, only on Beyond Newton.